Hello guys, regular old army girl here. I got the plains pistol out, made by Lyman. It's in 54 caliber. This was a kit I put together a few years ago, and I haven't shot it much lately. It's been about a year or so. I'm gonna load it up, shoot at the target there about 10 yards from me, just see if I can hit it. So yeah, I'm using a new type of caps. Usually I use Remington number 11s. This is Dynamite Noble from Germany, number 11. So you put it on half cock first before you do any shooting. Put it on half cock or full cock. Put your cap on it. This is to blow any extra oils out. Point it in a safe direction. I like to do that twice. And this works for any muzzle-loading rifle. This pistol's a good representative, and it's light. I like the way that smells. So your next step would be to get your powder. I'm going to pause this real quick. Phew, I hope you guys appreciate this video. I keep forgetting things, and I've done been up this hill 4 times. So next thing we'll do is pour 40 grains of 3F in the tube. Shut that. Cap it. And it goes all down the barrel. Give it a little bump. You want to bump it toward the hammer and the nipple. Next thing, your patch and lube. I actually made this lube out of fish oil. It's 50% fish oil. Just gonna rub my patch down in it. 50% fish oil, 50% beeswax. Half and half per pound. Okay. Got this pretty knife from Backwoods Little Bear. It's not a patch knife, but it'll do for right now. So the next thing you want to do is get your ball. It's a 54 caliber round ball. I'm going to put my knife back in for the moment. Throw your patch across the end of the muzzle, like so. Take your ball with a sprue side up, place it in. This little doohickey here is called a shortstop. But this one, I'm going to have to lean it on me. The little short handle on the ball first. Give it a whack. Twist it around like that. Take your knife. I know you're not supposed to cut toward yourself, but I just tend to do better that way. you take your long start, put on it, or your long leg on the short stop. Pack that down. Then you'll withdraw your ramrod. I know it's a lot of steps. And push it on down. Turn your ramrod. Take your cap. Pull the half cock. Put your cap on the gun. You're ready to fire. See how we do. I got it almost dead center. I'm gonna load up and we'll do that again. I'll cap the gun. These Dynamite Noble caps smell wonderful. Got a unique smell to them. I like it. Good old German products. Alrighty, we're ready to shoot again. Shot a little bit to the left that time. Had some thump to it. I'm literally sweating so hard, it's dripping on my shooting glasses. It's really muggy today. Has been the past few days. We're expecting a tropical storm over the weekend. We'll cap her. Hands are sweaty too now. There we go, yeah. That's good. Given I haven't shot it in almost a year. Another little tip when you're target practicing with a muzzleloader, run you a damp patch down the barrel. And if you're like me, forgot your tilt and run patches, you can always do it like this. Dampen your patch, put it over the barrel, take your ramrod, and just hold on to one end of it. Black powder, it will foul up on you. Look at that. Dirty. I love muzzleloaders for hunting and target shooting. I would really hate to be fighting Indians or this stuff. Got a weird grouping. I'm gonna put one more through it. I do love the way they smell when they get off. Smell really good. I'm sweating like a hooker in church. Getting ahead of myself there. Well, I don't guess it's too bad for a muzzle-loading pistol, and I haven't shot it in so long. Let's go check it out. That's about overall about a 4-inch group. First 2 shots was really good. Then I kind of opened up, probably because of the sweating on my hands. And I noticed something else. My patch is burning up. My lube didn't work too good. That could have affected my accuracy some too. But considering the patch is burnt and I'm super sweaty, I think I did alright. That's a 12-inch wide piece of board. That's the hill I gotta walk up. I made 3 trips. Well, this was fun. First time I got out and shot in a while. Regular old Army girl out.